Can you hear me? Hello. Today, very exciting. I got the Cetus 3D printer off of Kickstarter, and I thought I'd just video as I open it and see what's inside. I couldn't quite contain myself, so I did cut the tape off and realised there are a few bits and bobs. Like it's not completely assembled, and that's when I decided to just put it back in until I came up here to uni and then do the video now. So here we go. Oh. Had to pay a lot of duty to get this thing in here. It's a bit annoying. So I thought I'd paid all the shipping, but oh well. Oh yeah. I think I opened it from the bottom, but that works out fine because I could just do this. Woo! Okay. This is so cool. A lot of foam. Put that to the side. A box of stuff. And the recognisable bit here. I believe that's the right way round. Alright, this is looking cool. Find away. Well, I'll see what's in here. So, I got the letter, which I already read. It's just saying, thanks for buying it. I've got 2 build plates. So I got some more. They seem to just be aluminium or something like that, which is cool. 3 samples of PLA. Oh, bad boy power adapter and that thing. What's in here? Ha! Got some. They gave me some tools and stuff. These seem like wire cutters. And, something to get a print off. I've never used one of these before. I've sort of brute forced it. Alright, there seem to be some things. Huh. These look like the rails, or like kind of these are the metal supports that go here. But they're already there, so I don't know why I have more here. But hopefully there'll be instructions somewhere. Yeah, so I've got two long ones and 2 short ones. Oh, hello. This is the extruder. Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay. It's a bit wobbly, so I'll just tighten some of these probably when I install it, but it all looks pretty cool. Looks good. And yeah, so there's metal brackets here, but there's also some 3D printed parts. But they seem alright quality. Put that there. What is this? Alright, so I've got a big bag of things. Okay, extra nozzles, some screws, some kind of like corner brackets, and oh, those are like rubber feet. So I don't really know what all these extra parts are for, but I guess I'll find out. And cable. Cool, so that's everything that came in the box. These over here. Right, so I'll try and take this out now. Oh, there we go. That lifts out. It's all very nice and good. There's no kind of paper instructions or anything, so I'm hoping there's going to be like an SD card with instructions. Otherwise I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just being very careful with all of this. This looks very cool. It's very nice. You see there. So obviously that's where the build platform will go, and that's where the extruder will go. It all looks like it's built and everything. So I really don't know what these things are for. Right. SD. Is there a card name? Oh, I might be being very silly. This thing might not even use SD cards. That might be my bad. Yeah, so I'm seeing... So it's got a just the power port and a USB port, USB cable, and that's it. So I really don't know what's going on. I will double check and see if there's any instructions and be right back. Alright, so there aren't any instructions that I can find, but luckily I think I can figure it out, and then hopefully I give you the right information. I also thought about these extra pieces. These plastic caps obviously fit in the end of here, and then these angled pieces slot in as well, like that. So I remember someone talking about they were going to try, and they didn't have like a spool holder for the plastic, and so they may have chucked in like a cheap buildable version, and that may be what these extra pieces are for. But I'm unsure, because there's also as well as grub screws, just some like countersunk screws and some machine screws. So perhaps they're extras because 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. The machine screws are the same that are used to put the extruder on, and the countersunk screws are the ones used for the bed, so they may just be extras. Now they give you the Allen key but not a Phillips head, so I'm going to get one. Gotcha. So yeah, I'm just going to unscrew these 4 screws here and put the bed on. Right, I'm back. My other camera died, so I'm onto the GoPro. I'm just going to undo these screws here. Well, I already did. There's 4 screws here, but one of the screws is actually, it seemed a bit stripped initially, and it's countersunk into the metal bit. And when I undid it, the whole thing came slightly loose. So I actually think I'm probably meant to leave that one in there. So that's what I'm going to do. going to take this first build plate. Oh, some bit of take the build plate and try and put it on. Okay, so I've put those in just snugly. Next is the extruder, and what I realised is that this likes to just fall down when you don't hold it. So I've got a piece of foam from the packaging. I'm just going to try and prop it up. Am I getting in the way? Alright, yeah, it's just going to do that. So here's the extruder, and it looks like it's meant to go on sideways like this. Let me turn this around for you. So it's got two holes down here, which I believe are just going to go on these two bolts here, and you probably leave these ones alone. Okay. So they gave you the Allen key for this one, which is good. It's all a bit fiddly. You've got to kind of poke the screw through the one side here and the Allen key through the other side. There we go. Again, I've done those not massively tight, but pretty snug, and you see it's not really moving. Right, so did those. I guess the next thing to do is to plug this in. Where does it go? It can only go in one way. Easy. And assuming that this guiding tube can just go into the plastic part here, which it does, all good. So I'm going to try and load the filament in now. The little guide tube starts back here, just feeding it through all the way. Oops. Yeah. Alright, I'm just pushing it through as far as I can. And yeah, I've just pushed it through up to the little toothed gear on the stepper motor. So I'm just gonna plug this into my laptop now and see if I can get it to print. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it in now. Two power switches. There's one here and one at the front. I'm not really sure what those do, so I'm just going to click this one first. Okay. That's just turned on the fan. Okay, so this button at the front doesn't seem to stay in place, it just sort of clicks back, so I don't really know what that does. That's quite loud. Okay, that was kind of loud and annoying, so I'm just going to turn it off for the moment. Okay, well, I'll talk about the software. So if you go on the Cetus website, you can just Google it. You can download the software that they use. It's their own proprietary stuff. So I have not really mastered it yet. But I'm going to try and just add in a model that I've already drawn and see how it prints, and I can compare it to my other printer. Recording? Yep. Okay. Hopefully I caught most of that on camera. I just figured that the laptop wasn't really connected to the printer. It didn't say it found the printer, and so I held down this front power switch that I thought was being a bit strange before for like 3 seconds, and then it started beeping, and it's just honed all the axes, which is cool. But I still haven't got the filament actually into the nozzle yet. Right, so I've got it all plugged in now, and on the software you have to, once you connect it with the USB, you have to sort of activate your printer, which just requires you to click the button that says activate, and then it registers. So now I've gone onto the print option, and a button that says initialize printer on the left, so I'm going to click that. It's probably going to home everything. There we go. Okay. That's cool. And this light's blue, and I think means everything's alright. So now below that is a button that says calibrate. So I don't know what that is, so I'm just going to click it. I don't know what this is. It looks like it's showing me 9 points. Okay, it looks like some way to manually calibrate the height, but this is meant to be all good out of the box, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, I was wondering how to get the filament in to the nozzle before it starts printing. Now below the very bottom button is maintenance, and there's an option to extrude, so I'm going to click that. This is flashing now, and I don't really know what's going on. I assume the nozzle's heating up, and then this will let me know that it's ready for me to push the filament in. So we'll just see if that's the case. It'll probably take like a minute or so. It just started beeping, and well, beeped once, and I can see the stepper motor is moving. So I'm just going to push the filament in further. Yep, I can see that the filament's gone in, and there we go. Very, very, very thin. Okay. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe it's my hand. It's coming out now. It was coming out very slowly, and then it came out very quick. Awesome, so that's finished now. I gotta tell you, that was so cool just to see this like all working like in front of you. I'm used to like a slightly bigger printer, and this thing, I think the build volume is fine, but it just fits on your desk so nicely. And just seeing this printing in front of me is really cool. And I'm not really sure if I did the highest quality setting, as I said I don't really know about the software yet, but this looks really good. Oh, that was pretty easy as well. It did kind of like a strange raft and then like a second type of raft. You know, and then obviously it does the little line first before the print. Just look at this. Okay, yeah, not too hard to pull off. Sweet, this is looking really good. So I have a MakerBot Replicator 2 as my only printer up till now, and this thing looks just as good. Let's see if I can find another piece. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so this orange one was printed on MakerBot Replicator 2. As you can see, it's the quality is really good, like the closeness of the lines and everything. There's a few scuff marks, and I hope the GoPro is able to pick this up, but this is like just as good. I think you can probably see the lines a bit more on the screen version, but it's just as tough. If you look at the top there, you can see that the finish on the top isn't as good as the MakerBot, and at the bottom, you can just see kind of into the empty hollows of the model. But I think that's just picky things. This is really good, and it doesn't even look like I'm going to have to sand it. It looks like this thing has like retraction built into it, but this is fantastic. So I just want to test this fully. This is basically a functional piece. It's sort of a rotation mechanism for the things I sell in my Etsy store for a Nerf hammer shop. And I'm not going to do anything. I'm literally just going to try and pop this onto a cylinder. Go straight in, and I'm just going to pop this straight in to this Nerf blaster here. final comments now. First off, it's awesome. I am just a bit giddy. All printers probably have their drawbacks in some areas, and I probably haven't found it yet in this one. But the quality is there on par with MakerBot Replicator 2. It was actually printing, I think, pretty quickly. It might have been printing, judging on how long it took to do that part that I did before, it might be printing slightly quicker than my MakerBot 2 Replicator 2 as well. I don't know if that's just a slow one, but I think that's pretty cool. A few things to note. I'm probably going to be making my own spool holder. You do get these parts with these little kind of right angle joints, but I kind of want to attach it to the back of the machine just so that the spool feeds in just what seems naturally. But there's wires running down there, so I can't. So I want to attach to the side of the machine, but in order to get these little brackets in, I'd have to like unscrew part of it, and I don't really feel comfortable doing that either. So probably just print your own one, probably the best. Well, you know, you can probably just make one out of something easily. Other thing is so this would be a problem, but these two sort of machine screws here and here that attach this unit onto the stepper motor were just slightly loose, just enough that it could wobble, and I thought that might affect the quality of the print. So it was a bit awkward, but I just got in there and made sure I tightened those. Now it doesn't wobble, and as I showed you earlier, the print quality is like really good. So just make sure you check that. What was the other thing? Yes. So I can't remember if I showed you this earlier, but this whole axis here, when the stepper motors turn off, this just falls down under its own weight and can just crash into the bed. So I did do that once, but at the moment I've just got this piece of foam that I'm putting here, so that if this falls down, it just lands on here. Now I think a few other people have identified this problem, and there may be some 3D printed parts that you can get to catch this arm if it wants to fall down. But I'm unsure of how to get those. I haven't really looked, but look them up and they're probably somewhere. I also just want to repeat that I put only these 3 screws in and left this one because underneath it was countersunk and it seemed like it was meant to be connected in there. I don't know, but everything works fine. This is the main power button, but then you hold this down for 3 seconds every time you want to home or reset the machine, and you basically have to do that every time you've turned it off. That's different to leveling. It just, you have to do that before. I didn't mention that I didn't level it. It says it comes level, and so far it's worked fine. If I find any issues with the leveling, I'll definitely make a comment on that on this video later on. But for the moment, I'm pretty impressed, and I guess I'll just have to do some more testing. I'm definitely going to have to get to know the software. I don't know if this will come out. It's just a little view of the Cetus 3D software. You have to make an account and then